So initially, obviously anything that we start will have an so considering that we'll have an navbar. So considering this to be a phone, we'll have an app where we'll have the login screen. So it will contain of like 5 to 6 screens. So we'll learn more about navigation, state management. So let's go one by one. So it will obviously have 4 to 5 screens. So it will be one corresponding to the navigation page, one containing the home screen, once the next starting with an categories page, then we'll have a page for profile section where we'll have for profiles and settings, etc. So this will be the basic view. In this we'll design multiple UI components, which we as and when we move, we'll learn more about it, and we'll also learn about how to pass data between them, and we'll also learn about Flutter tree. So Flutter tree is an hierarchical tree, like it shows how the components have been arranged in the manner. So initially, like till now we have not discussed this, but at any point of time you will need to learn this, where you will have the main component under which you have sub components. So under which you'll be having sub components. So let me give you a small example. So that will be, so considering this to be our main component, like the app that runs, then inside that we are going to have a scaffold. This is considering it will be an app component or a material theme widget, and then inside we have a navbar and the body. So this is a very very outer surface of the design, but inside we'll be having something like this will be the main component. You learn more about this when we start using Firebase or other state management, where you will have a state management here, and this hierarchy will be used to pass the states and manage the states as and when you'll be needing the data. So this will be the basic overview of this tree. So this is a very extreme, like outer structure of how the Flutter tree looks like, but internally it will be a very denser tree, like having different components, as a single navbar component can contain around like 10 to 15 widgets inside, and each being a component by itself. So this is more like an outer view. I'll try to show you the app in the next video, where that will show you like what the app that we are going to build look like. So yeah, this will be the outer view. By this thing, I think we'll learn quite a few components. Let me list out that. So these are the components that we are going to learn. So in the UI component, we are going to explore more about GridView. So in the last video, we had already done a part of GridView, but since it was not complete, I will do this as well. Then we'll do InkWell, which has some options, like you can make anything tappable. Then we'll add drawers. You'll learn about this once we start, because it is very important when you build an app, restaurant app, so that you can see the menus and different options, as well as other settings and animation. So the main component, the main things that differentiate Flutter is the animation. So Flutter has amazing animation. So learning animations will be a very important task. And functionality wise, we learn more about navigation. So you will learn something known as tab based navigation. So you might have seen in an application that at the bottom or the top you have some tabs, and the navbar doesn't change, only the tabs change. So that's tab based navigation. Then we have named routes. So if you're coming from a web development background, then you would know what is a named route, and as well as cross section navigation. Then we are going to learn about state management. In that we are going to learn about how we are going to manage state if we are using a global variable based management. Then we are going to learn more about using providers and callbacks. So using callbacks we are going to pass data and get back the results. So these are the components that we are going to learn in this project, and we are also going to build a fantastic UI for this. Uh, do watch the entire playlist and try to complete the project. It will be a great add-on to your resume or anything. A great project to learn. So we'll start building the project from the next video. So thank you. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe, and also send it to your friends who want to learn and